Well, happy Labor Day. I always like to start off my day with some ridiculous Linux news, so here we go. This is from It's False News. Linux users beware, GNOME 45 is bad news for extensions. I'm trying to say this with a straight face, so let me get down here. With every GNOME upgrade, some extensions break. That's not new, but with GNOME 45, every extension will break. I'm sorry, I just think that's hilarious. I won't read all of this. I'll have a link for this below in the show notes. Changes to JavaScript and the whole scripting. Anyway, I don't use GNOME because I think it still is one of the worst desktop environments ever made for anybody without proper modifications. Okay? So all GNOME extensions will break, according to the article, if you are upgrading to the new GNOME 45, unless, of course, they are ported. Linus Torvalds, here's a picture of him. Years ago, when the new GNOME came out, he called GNOME, or GNOME, or Genome, an unholy mess. And now we know why. So what do I use? Well, I still like Linux Mint many years later, slightly modified version of Linux Mint that you see here. Chromebooks, the de facto Linux desktop for the masses. Finally, Windows 11, my beautifully reliable, nothing breaks, at least for me, in 3 desktops. Windows 11, the best Windows out there. Anyway, if you are using GNOME 45, well, beware.